Then there was no injury or anything, but I was taking treatment and then doing physiotherapy and on, but there was not much relief in various hospitals. And then I came to Chidambaram. It was then MRI was done. They showed a massive rotator cuff tear, and I had to go for surgery. It was done in a photospectra. Afterwards, I have been recovering around 5 months and all.
எங்களோட ஜாப் வந்து டெக்னாலஜியை இந்தியா கொண்டு வருது. அது வந்து whether it is related to any new technology, we've been bringing it to the country in orthopedic segment. And we select and across the country. That's one. And இது வந்து இந்த சர்ஜரிஸ் வந்து almost 40 to 50% of the 50% இப்போ வெளிநாட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 50% ஆஃப் த சர்ஜரிஸ்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி பேச்சஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. லிகமெண்ட்ஸுக்கு இப்போ வந்து நார்மலாக வந்து நம்மளோட கிராஃப்ட்ஸே எடுத்து பண்ணுவாங்க. இப்போ வந்து அதுக்கும் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி அலோகிராஃப்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஃபியூச்சரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதோட டிமாண்ட் ஜாஸ்தி தான் இருக்கும். நம்மளோட ஓன் பாடியிலே ஒரு 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 டெண்டனையோ இதையோ எடுத்து ரீகன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணாமல் அலோகிராஃப்ட்ஸை வச்சு சர்ஜரி பண்ணுறது வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு. க்ரோயிங் மோர் அண்ட் மோர். So for a human tissues, that's going to be a big demand in future.
Dr. Chidambaram from Chennai Upper Limb Unit. Today we wanted to showcase our three patients who had their massive rotator cuff repair done using arthroscopic technique and also using augmentation with ArthroFlex, which is a human acellular dermal matrix allograft. And this, in my experience, I have been using for the last 6 months, and we have 6 months follow-up on these patients, and have been shown to have excellent outcome in terms of good pain relief, early range of movement, and good functional recovery. So, this is actually indicated for somebody with a massive retracted rotator cuff tear, which is repairable, but the tissue is poor quality or degenerative, as in elderly population. The second indication is whenever somebody comes with an injury to cuff tear after the cuff was repaired, what we call as the revision surgery to repair the rotator cuff. In those situations, we use this. This is not for all patients. We have to be very selective in indication in using it, but it is a good option available now in India. Conventionally, we have been using keyhole surgery technology, using anchors to stitch whatever the patient has. But here, in situation where the muscle is already weak, there is a chance of re-tear. The cuff repair can go for repeat tearing. That can up to 20 to 50% cuff can re-tear. So with this technology to augment, the re-tear rate is decreased because it improves the healing rate of the rotator cuff. This rotator cuff repair with patch augmentation, we provide a robust repair with augmentation. So there is no need to be very restrictive in your post-operative immobilization. The patient can start early movement as comfort allows, but avoid active movement for up to 1 month. After 1 month, they can go on to do progressive range of movement and strengthening exercises. By around 3 months' time, they will be able to do full movement of the shoulder. The thing to say is that human allograft has been in use of some degree of some sort for many 10 to 15 years. The other two patches available, which are synthetic patches, polyester patches, or bovine patches, are been available for the last few years.
The business is big, sir.
This is the first. I think if you say, so we have started to use it, and we are the first one to use in India or South Asia for that side.
But in the procedure, just is but in the procedure, afford control, the limited other one. வர்றவங்க பண்றாங்க சார். Picking up more and more.